Healthcare workers are describing an increasingly dire situation around personal protective equipment. Even basic surgical masks like this, they say, are harder and harder to get. And because we're burning through them so quickly, it caused the president to make this comment.
Where are the masks going? Are they going out the back door?
President Trump's unfounded accusation that somehow New York medical professionals are stealing personal protective equipment like masks, gloves, and gowns is the latest in a back and forth between his administration and local tri-state leaders begging for more supplies amidst the coronavirus pandemic.
What he should focus on as commander-in-chief is get us the support we need right now. That should be the only thing he's thinking about.
3 weeks ago, Governor Cuomo did ask state police to look into the possibility gear was being stolen by people moving through the hospitals, but today said he wasn't sure what the president was specifically talking about. The governor says what New York is doing is stockpiling enough supplies for when infections peak in April.
If you are not preparing for the apex and for the high point, you are missing the entire point of the operation.
Nonprofits and private citizens have done their best to help with that effort.
Now we're being asked by hospitals, by states, by health departments, and that's never happened before in our history.
Andrew McCullough with nonprofit Direct Relief says his organization normally supports clinics that serve our poorest communities. He estimates his group had the biggest private stockpile of protective gear in the country before the crisis started.
But that's drained quite rapidly, and we're trying to do all we can to source more.
Noam Ross's infectious disease research group EcoHealth Alliance donated about 600 sets of gloves, masks, and protective suits to Montefiore Hospital, where his brother is on the front lines as an attending physician.
We knew no one's going to be traveling the world to go out in the field to be doing field work in the next couple of months. We decided to donate everything we could.
TJPC co-directs a medical student group called Med Supply Drive, founded a few weeks ago. It helps get pieces of protective equipment into the right hands.
From stagnant labs, small businesses, and distributing them into hospitals that need it the most.
Mayor de Blasio and Governor Cuomo insist we should be good on protective gear for at least the next week, but they say after that is when it could get scary. In Brooklyn, Henry Rossoff, Pix 11 News.